In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate HubSpot with Monday.com. This powerful combination can significantly enhance your team's productivity and communication, making workflow smoother and more efficient. Let's dive into the integration process step by step. First, begin by accessing the HubSpot CRM. Head over to your preferred search engine and search for HubSpot CRM. Once you find the link to the CRM software, click on it to proceed. HubSpot offers a robust platform to manage your customer interactions and pipeline with ease. Next, you'll want to get started by clicking on the Get Started Free button. This is a great option for teams or individuals new to HubSpot, allowing you to explore its features without making a financial commitment up front. Once you've clicked Get Started Free, you'll be prompted to create a new account or log into an existing one. If you already have an account, simply log in. If not, follow the steps to create one. This involves providing some basic details, such as your email address, and setting a password to secure your account. After logging in, confirm your choice by clicking Continue with this user. Then, select your account and proceed by clicking Continue with this account. These steps ensure that HubSpot recognizes which user and account will host the integration with Monday.com. With your HubSpot account ready, navigate to the marketplace. This is where you'll find various tools and applications that HubSpot can integrate with. Click on HubSpot Marketplace to open a world of possibilities to enhance your CRM capabilities. In the marketplace, use the search bar to look for Monday.com. Once the search results appear, click on the Monday.com option. Doing so will take you to an installation page. Click on Install to initiate the integration process between HubSpot and Monday.com. This step is crucial as it connects both platforms, allowing data and workflows to sync seamlessly. Before you proceed, take a moment to read through the HubSpot integration documentation available. This will provide you with any necessary preliminary instructions or settings that may be required during the integration. Click on Get Started to begin the integration. You will be directed either to sign up or log in to Monday.com if you haven't already. If you are new to Monday.com, create a new account by following their straightforward registration process. Otherwise, simply log in using your existing credentials. Finally, authorize HubSpot to access your Monday.com workspace. This step grants the necessary permissions for data to flow between the two platforms securely. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated HubSpot with Monday.com. This integration can now facilitate better project management and customer relationship oversight, ultimately granting you and your team a more streamlined and insightful workflow throughout your projects.